How to create a navigation menu in WordPress. Firstly, log in to your WordPress site. Head to Appearance. Then click the Menus option. Add the name of your menu, and then click Create. Next, choose your items you want to add to your menu. From the Add Menu Items section, you can add pages, posts, custom links, and more to your menu. Once you've chosen the items you want to add, click Add to Menu. You can rearrange the menu item by clicking and dragging them into place. You can also rename the items by clicking the drop-down and changing the label. Once you've done that, choose Primary Menu as the location you want this menu to be displayed. Then click Save Menu. This way, you can now view your menu on your website.